I'm going to introduce our remote controller. When you want to change another input source, please press this button. And you can change to HDMI 2, DVI, and PC. When you press the menu button, you can adjust picture, audio, setup, and app. Picture adjustment, including picture mode, color mode, zoom mode, backlight, color range. First one, picture mode. Picture mode have 4 options: standard, dynamic, soft, and personal. You can adjust the contrast. Just press the left button and right button. Brightness, sharpness, tint, and color. After you finish everything, please press Exit. And the color mode have personal, normal, warm, cool. And the zoom mode have 6 options: normal, full, zoom, cinema, wide, point to point. And the backlight, use the right button and left button to adjust it. And color range have 3 range. First, auto, 16 to 235, and 0 to 255. And the audio adjustment have 3 options. First one, equalizer, including standard, music, movie, sports, and personal. And the surrounding sound, you can turn on it or turn off it. And the AVZ, you can turn on and turn off. And next one is setup, including menu language, transparent, restore default, software update. First one, menu language. We provide 8 languages: English, French, Spanish, German, Italian, Portuguese, Turkish, and Chinese. And the transparent, you have 5 options. And the last one is USB media player. Please plug in your USB first. And there are 3 options. First one is photo. Find your photo and press enter. Choose the picture you want to show. And play it. It will autoplay your media. If you want to end it, please press the stop button.